Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So my name is Preeti Gupta and today we'll discuss on the series on tutorials and another topic also. Okay, so let's start. I'm sharing my screen. Before I'm sharing my screen, today we will do some code. We will create some submit forms. Okay, so let's start. Just a minute, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, yes, I open my Eclipse. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, let's create project. First, dynamic web project. Then we create what? We create submit form. Submit using Servlet. Okay, let's go next. Have you noticed I already added runtimes? Okay, we also added on that terms also. Okay, just to next generate wave app. Okay, this. Click on finished. Okay, that's fair enough. Yeah, okay. Everything. Okay, everything's there. Let's create a first servlet. Okay. We create some package. Inside package, we create a class. Okay. Okay. We create class and we return some package, some com dot vicious dot. Okay. Yes. Submit sublet. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, we just extend HTTP servlet. Okay, we using it in previous tutorials. We create one example we will do in some code using do get method, right? This time we using do post method. Means we create submit form. We how to post or submit. Okay. So we use which method? Do post method. Okay. So do post. Okay. Fair enough. And we response dot set content tab. Okay. Which tab we use HTML tab, right? We create HTML. Okay. That's fair enough. Let's create print writer out equal to okay. Respect the get writer. Okay, why we create? Because we display some messages. That's why. Okay. Then again. Okay. So we use in already I already discussed about the get parameter. Like we send some request, then using that tab get parameter. When we use get parameter, when we post something. Okay. So we send a request. Okay. So how to send a request? Using request dot get parameters. Okay. Inside get parameters, we using username. Okay. And we use emails. A parameter email. Oh, it's written email. That's fair enough. And we create a display message. Display some display some output through through browser. Okay. So out the print ln print. Okay. You use it because we create a HTML step, right? Content tab. That's why we create on that form. Okay. Then out dot print ln. Then we sorry. Okay. We create some is2 tag inside x2 submit successfully. Okay. And close the x2 tag. Okay. Then out dot println. Okay. Yes. Then we use some paragraph p tag side p tag. We printed some message. Name. Okay, just a minute. Name. Okay. And inside this, we uses username. Okay, okay, just a minute. What is happening on here? Wait for a second. Okay, just a pause. Okay, so first of all, we store some variables. So a string name equal to okay. Oh my God, no, because dot get parameter. That's enough. Same as they are also stored in some variables. We let's say we store in email. Type mistake. Okay, it's they store. Okay, and name. Okay, That's fair enough. Then we display emails also. Print ln. Print and print ln. Inside paragraph. Okay. We use email. Inside email, we use email. Okay. And close P means paragraph. Let's anything else we store. Okay, we store emails and yeah, one more message we printed. Mm, oh, that's enough. Let's create HTML page first. Okay, HTML file, then register finished. Okay, let's title name is submit. Uh, submit form. Let's I use some styles of CSS of HTMLs. So don't worry. I already create, so I just copy and paste. I I will understand each and every line. Okay, so don't be panic. Okay, I created. Okay, no, I created only submit form, right? Just a minute. Okay, I just copy and paste it. Okay. I was pasted only because I just installing some forms. That's why we create Bootstrap. Okay, we create Bootstrap classes, functions. Okay, and that's fair enough. We already know that labels, input. Okay, if you have confusion on HTMLs, please comment on chat box. Okay. I will record another videos like regarding HTML. Okay, let's do web.xml. Okay, we create a servlet. Servlet. Inside servlet, we create servlet name. What is your servlet name? Submit servlet, right? Yes. We create classes, servlet class. Yeah. What is your package? Uh, Scroll up. That we should start in. Okay. Then, okay. Then you use a servlet name. Fair enough. Let's create mapping. Servlet mapping. Okay. Inside mapping, we use servlet name plus URL patterns. Mm, okay. We go to the register HTMLs. What is your URL we pass on? Yes, yes. Where is action? Uh, just a minute. Yeah, form submit servlet. This is the URL patterns. Okay. Go. Okay, my laptop is hanging, I think. Yeah, that's fair enough. We rename the things. We rename the form. Okay. And we use let's run the code. Okay. And check is check okay. Anything else? Anything I mistake? Okay. So let's run the code. Run our server. Okay. Finished. Okay. Yes. I think mm, I open on Google Chrome because I'm using anything mistake, then we can use our dev tools. Okay. Let's submit. Uh, okay. Oh no, my name is what? Preeti Gupta. Okay. And email is this. Submit. Oh, so our form is successfully submitted and we display on web page some content like HTML content. We display on web page. Okay. And yeah, just a minute. I'm sorry. Yes, because we display two things only. First HTML body, and inside HTML body we use submit successfully, test, and then we use in name and emails, right? And we are successfully name is Preeti Gupta and email is what? Gupta at the rate gmail.com. Again, we can submit on another name also, like sorry, Priya. Priya 12. Let's say anything. Yeah, we already successfully same. It's work. Okay. So next tutorials we will discuss about not we will discuss, we will do the registration form, and day after tomorrow we will do in some sorry, login and registration uh both in one side. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching our videos, and sorry for sometimes network issues. That's why we sometimes stop our videos also. So I'm sorry for that. Okay. And thank you so much. Thanks for listening. Hope you understood each and every point. Because it's a simple sublet programs. Okay. Submit sublet. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. And please, always I am telling you, don't waste your time. So your time is very, very, very important. Okay. So don't waste, and don't waste scrolling YouTube's Insta. Okay. So don't waste. Okay. Uh, let's learn. Keep growing. Keep shining. Okay. Bye bye. And please, if you are like our videos, to please like and subscribe our channels. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day.